What's up, vlog? It's been a while! Woo! I decided to vlog we're like an hour into our drive. But we're headed to St. Louis for a little showcase tournament / thing. But we're gonna kill it up. We're just driving, stopped at Chick-fil-A, of course. The car is fully packed to the brim. But Ellen, Meryl, Eva, and my grandma are all coming tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. I'll update you guys later. What's up, fam? We're here in our favorite town, Hannibal.
Oh, Hannibal. Yes.
We hate it so much.
You guys like my shirt?
You guys like my shirt?
Anyways.
Just repping. We're getting gas.
Yep. We're about 1 and 55 minutes away.
No, we're about an hour. We still have like an hour and 45.
That's what I said. I said an hour and 55 minutes. Anyways, yeah. Just been watching football.
Watching
TikTok.
Watching Centennial. And Southeast Polk.
Just smile and wave.
Just like we'll be doing after we lose.
Centennial loses, not us. We win.
We win. We take the W's. What's up, guys? Made it. Hands are full. Here, let me get up. Let's get him. Super scary. Super scary.
Scared.
Got problems with the room. See you later. What's up, guys? It's like, what time is it?
11:23.
11:23. And we're headed off to bed.
Yes. Time to hit the hay. Get my head in the pillow.
What?
You know.
Pray for dry weather tomorrow.
Fingers crossed.
Anyways, see you when the sun rises. Good morning, vlog. It is what a morning. Anyway. I'm tired.
I wish you could see her hair from the back. I love you.
We're just getting ready.
You can't.
It was a small. Yeah. Hi guys, we're all ready, but I just wanted to show you guys the rainbow. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the rainbow. Here's Lauren's fit. All black hair. Putting our got the foam roller. Oh my gosh. Here.
Oh, let's show you Audrey's fit.
Little montage.
Body yada 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 yada.
Now the hair.
Nice.
Lose it.
Look at this beautiful area we've got here.
I'm like, did I drop a shirt somewhere?
What's up, guys? We're at breakfast, and I just munched on biscuits and gravy. For the first time, finished something. I got some hash browns and Looks big in my hand, but it's big. I had a biscuit and gravy as well, some apple juice, and some yogurt. And what you got?
Biscuits. What else do I have? Sausage and a banana. Looks big in my hand.
Anyways. These hash browns are actually kind of good.
Oh yeah.
Cute dog. Montage.
What is it? What?
I just been eating. A little moment of appreciation for all that my parents do. Filling this up with all the food and all the snacks you could ever need. It's on board. Hat
Yes.
Thank you. And which one do I grab? The Bloom or the Alani?
You're on the top two.
Tomorrow's gonna be an early morning, so.
Save the best for last.
Cheese sticks. What? What? I'm breaking it.
I'm breaking dishes. You're still videoing? Bro, chill.
Chip. Okay, I can't close this. Here, get a montage. Oh, look at Dad. Hello. What's going, Dad? Just what you say. I appreciate everything you do for us.
Thanks. Wow.
Especially by packing us this amazing.
Did you see
Thanks.
this thing?
Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. Here's a sneak peek. Don't know if you can really see, but it's a whole tote full of snacks. So, see ya. Hey guys, reunited at last. Anyways, we're here at the park. We're just waiting for Matt.
It's
For my
probably
YouTube
gonna
channel.
rain.
It's gonna pour.
One.
I don't even think we're gonna get the full.
One
I don't even
game.
think we're gonna get the full.
Supposed to rain out of 11
I
at
don't
the end
think-
of our game.
I don't think we're gonna get the full game.
Yeah.
No, it's literally gonna rain till continuous rain till 6 in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah. It's supposed to rain till
I feel like it rains every single time we come down here, but
yeah. Storms like
we'll update you after. Like, it ended early due to lightning. So yeah, but it was pouring, so we're headed back to the hotel.
Don't really know what the rest of the day looks like.
Yeah.
Because,
Rain.
it's raining. But, yep, we actually tied our first game. And it was kind of iffy. They were like, game's off because of the lightning. And then immediately after it started pouring. So luckily we kind of made it to the car. But yeah, headed back to the hotel. Don't know what we're going to do. We'll see what the rest of the day holds, because who knows. Yeah.
Hi guys, we're back at the hotel, but not for long because we're going to get Subway sandwiches, or sandwiches, I guess. But yeah, we had to come home because Lauren had to take a pill. Yeah. But now I'm just sitting here waiting to go back down. Hi guys, we're here at Powerhouse Subs. Got our subs. Mine's actually really good. I don't know what's different, but our 3 p.m. game just got canceled. Dang it. Got the largest. See, this seems small in my. Anyways, so I don't really know what we're gonna do.
So watch some football.
Yo, go watch the Hawks win.
They don't play till 6 tonight.
What's up, guys? We're back at the hotel, and all of the games are canceled for today. So I'm just literally laying here watching some TikTok. What are you doing, Dad?
Watching Merrill's volleyball tournament.
And Lauren, what you doing over there?
Doing some homework.
So
Sick.
yeah.
Life on the road.
Hi guys, just showered. Lauren are you done with homework?
Yes. Well, I'm not all the way done, but got a good amount done.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna go hit, and yeah. What's up, guys? Haven't vlogged in a while, but we just went and hit at Matt's place, and now we're stopped at Dick's Sporting Goods, and this is a junior helmet. Wait. Youth, actually. And it's basically gonna be my new helmet. See, I could go. Oh. I guess I could go for the junior. Dang it. It's too big. But Lauren's over there looking for gloves.
She wants the pink ones.
Yeah, no. Anyways, I also got my
Oh yeah.
newest glove.
Infielder's glove.
I'm not kidding. Hair's crazy, but
Not have a good. You do not have a good selection.
and my ankle hurts, if you didn't know. Oh, Dad.
What?
Found it. It's a 14-inch glove. Well, what out to the goal? Plays at first. Yeah. Here. Yeah, she's definitely out. Anyways, let's go see what they're up to. Perfect. It's my colors. Dad, do I look sick? Can I give him a 360 view?
They got a small in that, or
Nah, just a medium and a large. What a shame. What? She just said 6'7". Oh. Check that out.
yeah, they got the junior edition.
Still big.
No, it is not.
I need the kids.
It is the kids, honey.
No, I need the youth.
It is. It's the junior.
No, because look, come. This is also a junior, and this is a youth. Crazy. Guys, this might be a...
Dinner.
Hi guys, we're waiting at Texas Roadhouse, and we're currently on the phone with the girls. Say hi.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Yeah. We're waiting.
We're just waiting.
Hey guys, we've been watching the Iowa Hawkeyes game, football game, at Texas Roadhouse, and our food just came. Looks amazing. Montage. What's up, YouTube? We're going to bed. The other girls made it in. Hi. Show me your eyes. I'm taking my contact out. Anyway. We'll see you in the morning. What's up, guys? I forgot to vlog this morning. I'm so sorry. But we lost our first game. And then Meryl just won her first game too. Eva, how you feeling?
It's freezing this morning.
Oh yeah, it was so cold. But yeah, Grandma, you want to say hi?
Hi. I'm warm now.
Oh, good.
Oh, hi. Hello. Froze the first game. We toughed it out, and now we're warm.
Yes.
And it's all good.
Yes.
We're all happy. We're gonna go eat.
Yeah, we're going to eat at Jersey Mike's. So here's our Subway. Here's our Jersey Mike's sandwich. I got a number 13.
Mhm.
Eva, what'd you get?
I don't know. Something.
A number 7, right? You got
I'm
turkey?
number 7 with
You-
the juice.
Yep. And Mom, what'd you get?
Mini 7 with added bacon.
And I got with added mayo and pickles. And look. Guys, say toodles.
Toodles.
Hey guys, we're back at the field. Got myself a hot chocolate.
6-7.
6-7. And we're getting ready to watch Meryl play.
Say siete.
Say, ready, Grandma? Say siete.
Say siete.
Hey guys, we lost again, but we played really well that game. And then now we're headed back. Lauren's future teammate came and watched. It was so sweet. So we talked to them for a little bit, and then now we're on our way, stopping at Culver's for dinner. So we'll see you then. Here's Lauren.
Hey guys. It was another game, that's for sure. But look at us in the front seat. Got our driver right here. ETA. Let's not talk about it.
This is dinner, so.
No, I know. It's like 11:30. Yeah. But yeah. First weekend under the belt, and excited to get back to work. So, yeah. And I'm repping the state, so of course.
Anyways, see you at Culver's. Well, guys, I'm really sorry I forgot to vlog at Culver's, but we're headed back. We've got 4 hours and 49 minutes. So, yeah.
You got this.
My Culver's was amazing. I love you. yeah. Hi guys, we're at
We're at Pilot, the Pilot truck stop, Mount Pleasant. Meryl wants some donuts, it looks like. It's currently 10 o'clock. I'm tired, so we're gonna try a monster here.
flip it the other way. There you go.
Lauren
Is this
finding all the deals, 2 for $4. That's tiny.
You said I wouldn't drink the other one. It's the same price.
We don't need to stop again to go to the bathroom, so don't get the jug of.
Dad, can I ride with you, Mom? What's up, vlog? We arrived home like 20 minutes ago. And guess what? Guess who unpacked the car? Me, Lauren, Mom, and Dad. Where'd the other girls go? Oh, up to bed. Funny how me and Lauren and my dad were the ones who were up first. Doesn't quite make sense. But anyways, I'm headed off to sleep. Lauren's headed off to sleep. And we got school in the morning. So, this is our final goodbye. Till my next video. You know the drill. Sayonara.